Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I decided to do something a little different. Today I'm going to be testing out some no glue slime recipes. This is really popular on YouTube right now, so I thought I might as well try some of the recipes they're doing. So all these recipes I found on YouTube. Some people say they don't. So today I'm going to be testing them out for myself. So let's get on to it, guys. So sorry about the bad lighting. It's nighttime and you just kind of gotta work with what you got. So the first recipe I'm going to be testing for you guys is shampoo and salt, the most basic no glue slime recipe. So the shampoo I'm going to be using is Aussie. So just squirt as much as you want into a bowl or plate, whatever you want. And then you're just gonna add a little bit of salt. So what I like to do is I just sprinkle it into my palm. Put that in there and then just mix it up. I think there's a little bit of water in my bowl because it seemed a little bit watery when I was throwing in the shampoo, but hopefully that doesn't affect anything. So my slime is still a bit liquidy, so I'm just going to try adding a bit more salt in because I think that'll help. So this is thickened up, but I don't think it's really slime. But what I have heard, what you gotta do is you gotta put it in the refrigerator. I'm going for 10 minutes. So I just took the slime out of the refrigerator and it looks pretty solid. It's like not liquidy when I tilt it, so I'm pretty excited to mix it. This is actually really slime-like. Now I'm going to try to poke it. It does stick. That's something I was worried about, but this actually is a really good slime to mix around. It's gotten really thick slime. So I guess this sort of worked. I'd give it half. It stretches like slime when you do this. So yeah, maybe partially slime. I definitely suggest you guys test out this recipe. Maybe it'll work different for the shampoos that you have. So let me know down if it worked for you. So the next slime recipe I am going to be testing for you guys is a dish soap and cream of tartar slime. So there is a pretty big debate on whether this works or not on YouTube. A user named JSHDIY, I think, showed us this slime and he said that it worked great. Sorry about my brother yelling in the background, just ignore that. And a lot of people have tested it out saying it doesn't work, but I've also seen some people say it does work. So that's why I'm going to be testing it out for myself today. So I added my dish soap and now I'm going to add my cream of tartar, and you only need a little bit and you want to sprinkle it on top. Just like that. And then you're just going to put that in the refrigerator again, just like the other one, for 5 to 10 minutes, I'd say. So here is the slime. It has been in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes, and part of the cream of tartar is sunk to the bottom, and still part of it's floating on top, so that's kind of interesting. And yeah, this didn't work. It's just as liquidy as it was before. And I don't know, I'm not very happy with this at all. It didn't work at all. So yeah, this slime was a big fail. What do you think, Kingston? Is this slime a fail? Yeah, that's what I thought. The next slime that we're going to be testing slime. So you're going to need this face soap, Clean and Clear Morning Burst. This is the face soap that was said to be used. So pump that to a bowl, and then you're supposed to add some borax, so I'm just going to do that, and then you're supposed to mix it for a really long time, and it's supposed to turn into this perfect slime, and I do not see how it's going to happen, but let's try. So after a ton of mixing, nothing really happened. It's very liquidy. I mixed it for a while, tried mashing in like those little beads, and nothing more borax. So, sadly a fail, you guys. So the very last slime we are going to be testing today is hand soap and sugar slime. So I'm just using some Equate aloe vera hand soap. I got this at Walmart. And then you're just going to add some sugar in there. Just kind of like sprinkle it over the top, you're supposed to do. So just for fun, I'm going to color my slime yellow because I didn't color any of my other slimes. And you know, why not? So I'm mixing the slime and nothing is happening. It just feels like regular soap. So I'm just going to keep mixing and maybe add a bit more sugar, and I'll let you guys know. So yeah, you guys, nothing really happened. It's still very liquidy, but I don't feel like giving up on this slime yet, so I'm just going to put this in the refrigerator for 10 minutes like I did the other slimes. So here's the slime after I took it out of the fridge. It's still liquidy, maybe a bit thicker, but yeah, this slime was a fail. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you're watching. I really hope. Don't forget to leave a like if you liked this type of video. Hey, why are you clawing me? And comment down below any other no glue slime recipes you would like me to try out. And anyway, thank you for watching the video. He's kind of crabby right now. Bye. Stop scratching me.